So we're going 14 fun stops. So I suspect one more not going to kill us off.
15 and a half.
Yeah, so our producer looked like she have an obsession with one word. Today we first did the songs at the top of the show. Now we're going to say the first thing that comes to mind when we hear a certain word. Do you know certain about that? First thing I must say that come to my mind.
Within reason.
Master, you have your fingers there, so? Master, make sure you have your fingers there.
Within reason.
First thing that comes to mind.
Who's first?
Blue drawers, you're supposed to eat that.
So food.
Yeah, let me not say that.
One word.
Or just one word you must say? No, she said anything that comes to mind. And I just did. You're supposed to eat blue drawers. All the time.
City.
So we must do the same word?
Both of us?
She said, you know, she said city.
Never. Right, I didn't even think about it. It just kind of, yeah.
It's a word
Regular,
that,
never
it's a word that
regular.
I use all the while for
Every
food.
day, all day.
Almshouse.
Fast.
That's so boring though.
Go on now.
No, as you say it already.
What is yours?
No. Yearns?
Yeah.
I like it. Come, give me mines. Where's Simone live?
Are you?
Upper St. Andrew.
I think Upper St. Andrew, when I think of that, I want to put my hand on my nose and speak up into my nasal cavity like
Upper
that.
St. Andrew people speak a little.
St. Andrew, yeah, St. Andrew.
And they don't say meant. They say mont.
Really?
Yeah.
I know they don't say theatre, they say theatre.
Yeah.
And they don't say idea, they say idea.
Yeah, they don't say meant. It's like they say, I have this commitment. It's a commitment I have.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Bon Bon. You know Bon Bon is name? You know what Bon Bon is?
They scrape up,
Yeah.
burn rice.
Broomy.
Broomy. Who sell that?
Ras. It's usually a ras. Broomy.
Broomy.
Ray.
I thought you was getting point for me.
You cannot be a good ass virgin.
What is a good as? Good as no mean you're
good
good.
as is usually a woman.
Eh?
Or a goodie. You can't be a good as.
Then good, hold on, stop. Good as don't mean you're good.
A good as?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I tell you off air?
No, tell me no, man.
You can't be a good as.
Why not?
Because you don't have the things that would allow you to be a good as. It's not the looks. Oh, the goods. You don't gotta.
Foolish is not that.
Alright, never
Well,
good
it'll
as.
be different from when I read it. No?
Never good as.
Of course.
Today, yeah, never good as.
Me a good as.
Yeah, never good as.
Sheffield, no, you don't miss the already.
Sorry, sir. Never good as. Did you just ask Chef if he knows that you're a good as?
No, Sheffield have a bridge, but what I'm asking Sheffield is that him know that I'm different from the rest. I go clown them inside.
Can you good as?
So certain things that I say, I just different from everybody. So me is a good as, yeah. I don't know. So on the simple the road just a good as.
Never good as.
Me that. The female them must say that. It's who that, me or you? It's you.
Can I say, Chef is trying to get us fired today, you know, Chef. Do not write anything to me.
I want to know if you can say this on
Kiss
TV.
Me Neckback is obviously, I think culture when I see
You can say that on TV?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
You sure?
Of course.
Okay,
You
go
say
and get me that show. You say it first.
You say it
no,
first.
You say it. No.
You say it first, huh?
Well, it's something like that I was going to say. Kiss me neck back too. And I want to say if I can say that word.
Say it.
No, because you want to get me that trouble. And the two way I get fired
You don't
because
get in
you
trouble
say it.
for that word.
Say it.
You It's not a bad word.
Well, say it then. No?
Rotted is not a bad
Rotted,
word.
yeah. So it's a kiss me neck back and me that said to rotted. You say it first. I love you. And she must say it. And
That R word not going to get you in trouble. The other R word will
Which
get
one?
you in trouble.
Which other one?
Me tell you how to hear.
Write it down and make me say it too.
Smart up yourself in our bus. One already.
Write it down and make
Two
me
a
say it.
move.
Oh. What is this? What you call that?
Asterisk.
All right, so me can say it.
I wouldn't.
I can show them where, right?
I wouldn't.
Well, this word have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letter.
That is when you're being very
Yeah,
emphatic.
with 3 asterisk. Asterisks. Something so.
Bush tea, gas. That's what I think.
Yeah? So
Just
anybody
forget the
can
word
tell me
now.
what that word is, you win.
Next.
What?
Kitty! Kitty!
Fluffy.
I think kitty when I think fluffy. Leave it to the word. I cannot find a word that is fitting for airplay.
You sound like funny. That's not nice. Vex.
Crook!
Vex.
Dancer.
You should put good as.
Good as.
Simone, beautiful, magnificent, wonderful, bright, incredible. One word cannot be do. She's just absolutely brilliant. Me love her. Me in love with her. Where that thing? Where is the thing me can say? By the way, is this Simone we are talking about? Wait. Hold on. Wait now. Is this Simone? Yo, you zim it. Only don't say no, because I might have withdrawn some of them beautiful words. Is this the one we're talking about?
No, they just meant generically what comes to your mind when you think of the name.
Oh, because there's a Simone that I know that.
I think of the word obedient, because that's what the name means.
Simone means obedient. Colson, dog.
Devil, hell, fire.
Who's the greatest man I world still? I don't know that.
Zimmy again? We just did Zimmy.
Only still don't tell me it's with Simone, you know. Because I might have to pull back on some of those beautiful words.
Benji, not giving us the word that will take us to break. Or are we not breaking?